Hey guys, it's your favorite thing, I'm Gold, and welcome to my channel where everything that glitters is gold. So as you can tell by the title of this video, today's video is going to be my unboxing of my Jeffree Star's Cosmetics premium box for his Valentine's Day mystery thing. I should not have shown you guys the other side. But yeah, I'm really excited to open this up. But before we do that, I do want to talk about a few things that I haven't seen any other people talk about in their videos. When I watched their I think it was the Black Friday video, the shipping is crazy pricey. Like, standard shipping was about $12, over $12, and then they had another option for $36, and I paid the $36, which was said to be 2-day shipping, and I got mine. I ordered it on Thursday and I got it today, which is what's today? Today's Monday, I think it is. Yeah, today's Monday. Okay, I'm sorry. So I got it today on Monday. Yeah. So yeah, I'm really excited. These are my first Jeffree Star products, period. And I really I was so ready to get the deluxe box, but it sold out so fast I was not able to get it. So I just got the little box, and I'm sure it will be as exciting as the big box would have been. And I was finally getting to this box. So of course it comes in this cute packaging. I'm sure everybody has saw this already. The packaging, really cute. But let me tell you, if he does this again, the people who live, you know, like in the hood areas such as I, this is gonna stand out on your front porch. So I would say either make sure you're home or someone's home to pick it up, or I don't know, your shit won't be gone. No, but really, this box really does stand out a lot. Oh, I ripped the box. I'm ready to try everything. See what's in here. I've been waiting so long. Like, I mean, it hasn't been that long, but I'm struggling with this. Why is this not? I'm gonna have to rip the box because this just did not work for me, and I'm too hyped to sit here and try to really. Okay, so here's the inside of the box. Cute. We have the fake tissue paper as everyone else. Okay, see, it's empty. We're just gonna. I try to give you guys this who-is-she kind of vibe, you know, since we're doing the mystery unboxing. Okay, I love prizes, so I really don't want to look. I just want to grab, so I'm going to grab. Okay, we have a skin frost. Oh my god. My skin frost. I was so ready. Look. I think it's broken. It's all over my hands. I want to cry. I really want to cry. Fuck. My first ever Jeffree Star experience. Fuck. It's broken. But this is King Tut. I've seen a lot of people get this for their Black Friday one. It's a really beautiful highlighter. Probably not going to be able to use it. Let's just open it. This is fucking tragic. Look at this. Okay. And I'm just making a mess. Now I'm upset. The vibe has changed. Oh boy, here we go. My robe wants to keep opening. Like, come on. I want to cry, honestly. But, okay. I see some lippies. Here we got, what is this? Honestly, I'm not familiar with Jeffree's products. I do watch his YouTube videos. Never had anything from Jeffree, and I was really excited, but that really just blew my shit, honestly. Okay, so this is a velour liquid lip in the shade Posh Spice. Okay. Hopefully this will make me happy. Okay. And I love it already. Look at how cute the packaging is. I'm sure you guys have seen Jeffree Star's packaging already. And this is the perfect shade. This is definitely something I would wear. I'm a cool tone type of girl. I do not like pinks or like warm tone lips. It just doesn't look good on me. So this is just right up my alley. Beautiful. It's like a cool tone gray brown kind of shade. It's a like kind of circle swatch. Really cute. I'm excited about that. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, I just dropped it on the floor. Okay, so we have Scandal, and this is definitely something from the newer collection, the Alien collection. This is a velour liquid lip in the shade Scandal, which looks like a purple. Let's see. So beautiful. Look at this packaging. Gorgeous. I want to try some of these on. I don't have a mirror with me right now. Maybe I should grab one. But this is more of a pinky tone. Not sure. I'll definitely wear it though. I mean, I paid for it, so I'm gonna wear it. Definitely. Just have to figure out what kind of look I want to do with this kind of shade. It's not something I would normally wear, but I mean, that's what you buy Jeffree Star products for, a mystery box. You're gonna get something you don't normally wear in there, trust me. Okay, and then okay, we have a lip ammunition in the shade X Supermodel. Beautiful packaging. Sorry, I just wanted to smell that. I think I just got on my nose. Gorgeous shade. It looks pretty similar to the liquid lip, honestly. Gorgeous. Look at these three. Just beautiful. I'm gonna try on, I really want to try Posh Spice. Let's see, let me just grab a mirror really fast. I mean, I would use the highlighter, the Skin Frost mirror, but really is up my alley, so I'm gonna try this one. Gorgeous. I love the doe foot on this. It has the curve just to fit your lips perfectly. Let me just do a double dip. My lips are pretty big, so most of the time I have to double dip. And there it is. Very, very pretty. Feels really soft. It hasn't dried down yet though. So let's see how it feels once it dries down. Honestly, I'm gonna be 100% honest. I feel like Jeffree would respect my honesty in this video. I feel really, really underwhelmed. When I was looking at the website, it was saying that I'll insert a screenshot here, but it was saying that this box was gonna be completely different from the first box that was released, which had, you know, the same products in every box. I'm not sure if, I haven't watched any other videos, but I'm not sure if it's the same products. But this was not what I was expecting. Honestly, in the picture it said highlights plural. So once I opened that one, I was like, you know, this one's broken. Maybe there's another one that's not broken. Nothing. And it also said that the premium boxes received 6 items and the deluxe boxes will receive 9 items. I only got 3 lips and 1 broken highlighter. I don't want to sound ungrateful or anything like that, because I do love and I do truly support Jeffree Star, but I did pay for this. And honestly, the price was good. The $40 is amazing price for all of this. Amazing price for Jeffree Star. Good quality products, amazing packaging, and it's just Jeffree Star, like. But with the shipping costs on top of the cost of the box, I'm not sure if it was worth it, because, you know, like, I'm still here looking like maybe I'm missing something, but I'm really upset. I'm really underwhelmed, honestly. I paid how much? $40 plus $36 for shipping, for a broken highlighter and some lipsticks. But yeah, guys, so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos, and remember to stay gold. Hey guys, I just wanted to add this part to the video because I just went on YouTube. The entire time I didn't watch any unboxings because I really wanted to be surprised at, you know, what I got. So I decided not to watch any of the unboxings, but now I just was curious and I wanted to see if anyone experienced the same thing that I did, as far as getting only 4 items, not receiving the exclusive item that was supposed to be in the box, and broken highlighter. And I'm realizing that no one else that I've seen so far has experienced the same thing that I did. And I'm really upset about it. I really am. As a consumer, it's really upsetting for me. Yeah, it's a mystery box. Yeah, you're getting a good bargain, but at the same time, you're expecting something and you're really excited about something, and you get like just like all the excitement is just, you know. And I really love Jeffree, and I'm always gonna love Jeffree regardless of this experience, but it's just, I don't know, I just feel really upset about it. Why this happened, I will be contacting them via email, and hopefully maybe they'll see this video or something. I don't know, but I don't know, guys. Just let me know if you've seen any videos of anyone experiencing the same thing, or if you guys want to sound ungrateful. I don't want to come off as ungrateful, but I mean, I don't know. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos, and remember to stay gold.